This is grilled air fryer cauliflower steak with chimichurri. It's a vegan-friendly recipe, or if you just have trouble putting away vegetables, this is a great way to make it savory, and I'm gonna show you how. If you like recipes like this, make sure you like and subscribe for future content. Let's get into it. Into your immersion blender, if you don't have one of these, you can use a food processor or just a normal blender. We're gonna add all our ingredients for the chimichurri. So, garlic powder, onion powder, chili pepper flakes, apple cider vinegar, salt, olive oil, cilantro, and parsley. We're gonna give this a good mix. Once you get a consistency that looks kinda like this, you're ready to go. So, with our cauliflower, we're just gonna pour that right on. And then from here, make sure you spread it pretty evenly. If you don't have a spatula, you can just go ahead and get your hands in there. Doesn't matter. Most important part, just coat this evenly. Make sure to give both sides some love. All right, that's looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and let the cauliflower just sit there with the chimichurri sauce so it soaks up that extra flavor. And to time that, we're gonna preheat our COSORI TurboBlaze. Make sure your crisper plate is already loaded. And from here, we're gonna bring it to 385. I'll see you in 4 minutes. Our preheat is done. So now we're just gonna go ahead and bring our cauliflower steaks into the crisper plate. And now we're gonna bring it back to our air fryer. Set it to air fry for 300 at 15 minutes. See you in 15 minutes. Woo! Oh, come on now, look at that. Our cauliflower is done. And while you guys weren't looking, I made a little bit more chimichurri sauce, and we're just gonna use that to dress the cauliflower here. All right, taste test. You get that nice grilled, almost like a roasted sensation on the outside of the cauliflower still, and in the middle, tender, perfect, juicy. And the chimichurri just kicks in so nicely. A little bit of zest, and wow, you have to try this at home. Comment below, let me know if you're gonna try this, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Peace.